In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach your LinkedIn profile with Upwork. By the end, your LinkedIn will be neatly showcased on your Upwork profile through a portfolio item, making it easy for clients to learn more about your background. First, open your browser, head to Google, and type Upwork. Click the official Upwork website and sign in if you aren't already. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner and click your profile image or initials. From the drop-down, choose your profile to open your freelancer profile page. Scroll to the portfolio section. This is where we'll add an item that links to your LinkedIn profile. Click the plus sign to create a new portfolio project. In the project title field, enter something clear and simple, like LinkedIn or Professional LinkedIn Profile. This makes it obvious to clients what they're about to view. There's an optional field for your role. Feel free to add a short, specific title if it helps, but it's not required. Next, add a concise project description. Explain what clients will find on your LinkedIn page, highlights of your experience, notable accomplishments, and the types of projects you've worked on. Keep it professional, skimmable, and aligned with the services you offer on Upwork. Add skills and deliverables to improve visibility. Choose skills that match both your LinkedIn and your Upwork niche, and list deliverables that reflect the outcomes you provide. This helps Upwork surface your portfolio item when clients search. Now add a text block by clicking the letter T. In that text block, paste your LinkedIn URL. A quick tip: make sure your LinkedIn profile visibility is set so that anyone with the link can view it, and paste a clean URL without extra tracking parameters. When you're ready, click. Next, preview to review how everything looks. Check the title, description, skills, and the link itself to ensure it's clickable and accurate. Then click Next. Thumbnail. Click the gallery icon and choose an image from your files. Pick a clean, professional thumbnail, something like a simple branded graphic or a neat screenshot, so the portfolio card stands out in your profile. Finally, click Publish. Your LinkedIn is now attached to your Upwork profile via the portfolio section. After publishing, visit your public profile to confirm the link opens correctly and the thumbnail displays well. If you spot anything to improve, you can edit the portfolio item anytime. That's it. Your LinkedIn is now seamlessly accessible to clients exploring your Upwork profile.